Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys. Today we're going to talk about throttling. That's right, Microsoft decided in their infinite wisdom that throttling your network was a good idea. Or did they? Are they right? Are they wrong? Well, I don't know. Let's be honest. What we do know is that they have throttled back the network on a Microsoft machine for non-media traffic. So anything that doesn't relate to media, they throttle that back anywhere from 20 to 50%. Some people say this is complete BS, that it doesn't, if you change this, it doesn't do any good. My thing is I don't feel throttling is good at all ever. I don't know about you guys. And so with anything, this could affect some of your earning sites, things like that, possibly. I'm not going to call that at this moment. What I'm going to do is we're going to test this. So I'm going to show you where it's at, and we're going to show you how to disable it and or change the key, and we'll go from there. You know, that way you know how to change, and you can test this for yourself. Is it any good? Is it not? Now, I will tell you, the original reason this came up was for gamers said this was messing with their games, and they could do this, and it made all kinds of difference. Now, many gamers will tell you this is, again, BS, that it doesn't do anything. But, again, I'm weird, and I don't like to believe what other people say, you know, because everything you find on the internet is true. And if you guys believe that, I got some oceanfront property for you. Just let me know in the comments, and I'll let you know where that property's at. Anyway, let's go from here, guys. Let's move on. So what we do is we're going to jump down in here to our regedit. What you do is use your Windows key R. I'm hoping that you guys know what that is. And you just type in regedit to get there. If you don't know what the Windows key R is for the run, make a comment down below and we will do a video on that. But I'm assuming that all of you guys know what I'm talking about. That will bring up this guy right here. And this is what we're looking for, is a Network Throttling Index. Now, the easiest way to find this is to go to Edit and Find and type in Network Throttling Index and hit Find Index. And let your system do a search for it. It's going to be the only one that pops up. The other way is to follow the whole branch here. And I will leave that in the comments below so you guys can find that if you want. But if you do the search, you will find it immediately. So, by default, they have this set at 10, or A for hex. So that is the default, and that's the default run. Now, I know some machines are set at 20, some 30, some 40. You can go all the way up to 70%. I'm saying percent. I don't know if this is actually percent, but that's what I think this is of your network. And so 10% is reserved for multimedia. I prefer to let my network, to let my own things handle this. You can program this in a different, through your network differently, if you want to monitor traffic and things like that. So let's test this. That's going to be the theory of today's story. Let's test this. Is it complete nonsense? Is it not? Let's find out. So what we're going to do is we're going to disable this and then test it for a week, 2 weeks, a month, whatever. We'll test it for a while and we'll see, A, do we have issues with our system? Or B, do we not notice anything? Or C, oh my God, we had a big difference. Let's figure that out. I want to crack this idea once and for all. It doesn't make any sense to do it or not to do it. So all you guys do is open up this, and now this is in hexadecimal. You can do decimal, but trust me, that key's a lot harder. Just back out the A. The A is 10. And what you're going to do is type in F, and you're going to type in F 8 times, so it's going to be FF, 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 FF. So it's going to be 8 Fs, and once we reboot the machine, that disables the Network Throttling Index. So no more are we reserving or throttling back any type of traffic. Everything's going to flow through at 90 miles an hour, right? I don't know. Let's find out. Anyway, guys, this was a test I wanted to do, and I just wanted to bring it to you guys, let you look. See what I'm doing. It's going to be a test on the machines. Try it out. I don't think it's going to cause any major problems, but it would be great for other people that do this to let us know if you're having any issues. If you've already done this and had issues, let us know in the comments, or if it helped you in some major way, let us know in the comments. This is a great test, I think, just to help anything that can speed up your network, especially when you're doing farms and things like that, will definitely make a difference. So here we go. Anyway, guys, that is today's video. I want to thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember, the day's what you make it. So let's make it a good one.